So, hello friends. Hope you all are very well, very fine. So, I am Chinu Gupta, your mathematics educator from SUVY Classes. So, hope you all are good, great. So, as we have already gone through three sessions, so today is our fourth session. So, ready everyone? Oh, great, my dear friends. So, let's get started. Today in the fourth session, we will go ahead with the next chapter. As everyone know, very first session we have covered the very first two chapters. Then in the second session we have covered the next two chapters, and in the third session we have gone through just data handling part. In the last session only one chapter. Today again we are just going to cover the two chapters. One is square and square roots, another one is cube and cube roots. So the concept behind this is, whole idea behind this session is so that we can go ahead with what we want to do, what we can do, what we are going to do in the further sessions when you will be enrolled full time with us. So I guess I'm clearly audible, clearly visible. My screen is visible to you guys. Great. So, my dear students, very first, when we are talking about square and square root, so you already known about this thing, that what is square of a number? That means any number when raised to the power 2. Any number when raised to the power 2 is called a square of number. Suppose I said 2 power 2, it will become 4. 3 power 2, it will become 9. It basically idea behind is that 2 is multiplied by 2. It means 2 are multiplied 2 times. 3 are multiplied 2 times. So again, for example, if they said square of 9, it means 9 square, 9 into 9. So you will get 81. So it's basically again a whole logic behind your tables. Again, when you have to square of 0.2, it means 0.2 square. I can rewrite it as 0.2 into 0.2. Or if you have problem in solving decimals, what you can do? We can just write it as 2 upon 10 into 2 upon 10. It will give me 4 upon 100, and that is equals to 0.04. So answer for this question is 0.04. I think concept is clear to you. What is a square of number? So very first thing you must know, what is square of number. Remember? Got it? Is thing is clear to you? Again, a natural number is called a perfect square. When a natural number is called a perfect square, if it's square of some natural number, suppose you will have a 4. So 4 can be rewritten as 2 raised to power 2. You have a 1. So it can be written as 1 raised to power 1, 9. So it is written as 3 raised to power 3. If you have number 6, 6 cannot be written into a number square of a natural number. So it means when a natural number is a square of another natural number, that means it is a perfect square. Otherwise, when it's not a whole square of any number, that is not a perfect square. I think concept behind this is again clear. Suppose you're having 16, 25, 36, and so many numbers we have in natural one. Right? So think till everything is clear. What is square of a number? What is perfect square? Perfect. Have a look on the next part. Next is some properties of square of numbers. So we have to focus upon these things also. What are the some properties that we have to use while solving the square of numbers? So very first property is the square of an even number is always a even number. So just think about this part. When you square an odd number, it will become a odd. When you square an even number, you will get an even number. It means 2, 4, 6, for example. 2 square is 4 square, 6 square. It will become 4. It's a even number. 16, again a even number. 36, again a even number. So in the same way, when you square an odd number, you will get an odd number. Like 3 square 9, 3 square 1 square, 5 square, for example, it will become 9, it will become 1, it will become 25. If the square of an even number will become even, square of odd number will become odd. Is it clear till there? We have covered two properties. Let's move to the third one. The square of proper fraction is a proper fraction less than a given number. So just keep it in a mind when you scare a fraction which is less than any number, or a fraction. When you scare a fraction, you will get a new number scare of that which will be less than the given number. So 1 upon 2 square means 1 upon 2 whole square. It will become 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 2 is 0.5 and 1 upon 4 is 0.25. So it means 0.25 is less than 0.5. It means number is greater than their scale. So let's move to the fourth property. A square of a decimal fraction less than 1 is smaller than the given number. So when you, now again a different case, when you are having a number decimal fraction less than 1, it means 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on. When you start multiplying them, that is again a same criteria that we have taken. This will be a number fraction square less than the given number. So number ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8 is never a perfect square. Any number which ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, they are not going to be a perfect square. Never ever. So number ending in an odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. So when a number is ending with zeros and the number of zeros are odd in number, it means 3, 5, 1, 7, then that number is also not a perfect square. So is the 6 properties are square? Just have a look. What are the 6 properties? Very first property, square of an even number will always be an even number. Square of an odd number is always an odd number. Square of a proper fraction is a proper fraction less than the given fraction. Square of a decimal fraction less than 1 is smaller than the given fraction. A number ending with 2, 3, 7 is never a perfect square. A number ending in odd zeros is never a perfect square. So as finding square is the easier part. Now a little bit confusion arises when we have to find the square root. So just have a look. The square root of a number x. The square root of number x is a number when it multiplied by given as x as a product. So x denotes, as you have to calculate the square root of, suppose 36. So what you can rewrite? You can rewrite it as 6 into 6. So this will give me 6. So square root of 36 is 6. Answer is 6. In the same way, root of 49 can be written as 7 into 7. So 2, 7 in the square root. 1 is out. Or, just have a look. Can you rewrite it as 6 power 2 whole power root? And this means 6 power 2 and whole power 1 upon 2. This 2 and 2 cancel. So the answer is 6. That's why square root of a number is 6. Or directly you can thought about the thing that 36, have you known 36 is a square of which number? So directly you can put the 6. Answer is 6. So to find the square root of a given number by using the factorization method. We already used in the above part. Just think about this. Resolve the given number. Whatever the number is given to you, first resolve into prime factors. Then make pairs of similar factors. Then product of prime factor chosen one out of every gives the square root of given number. For example, you have two things. 625. Very first question. Start factorizing. As it's end with 5, it means it's divisible by 5 only. So 5, 1 the 5, 5 to the 10, 5, 5 the 25. Again 5, 5 to the 10, 5, 5 the 25. Again 5 and 5. Then 5, 1. It means 625 square root can be written as under root 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Right? So let's start making pairs. So it will become 5 into 5. So answer is 25, my dear students. In the same way, when you're having 1296, so start factorizing. As is an even number, let's get started from 2 only. 2, 6 the 12, 2, 4 the 8, 2, 8 the 16. Then 2, 3 the 6, 2, 2 the 4, 2, 4 the 8. Then 2, 1, 6, 2, right? 2, 8, 1. So what we can do now? Again, now it goes on 3, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. Here it's 3, 1. It means 12, 9, 6 under root. It will become square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So just think about this, make a pair of similar ones. So it will become 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So the answer is 36. So the answer for this question is 36. Any doubt, any confusion? So this is a way how you can use factorization. Now they said another topic is test for a number to be a perfect square. How you can test a number is a perfect square? Simple. When you want to check a number is a perfect square, just you have to see the things that a number which is existing. Suppose two twos are there, then every number is existing in pairs. If every number is existing in pairs, that means it is a perfect one. Otherwise, it is not. Clear? Any doubt, any confusion till there? Any query? See, what will be the unit digit of square numbers? So you have to think about this when unit digit is 1, when unit digit is 2, when 9. What can be the numbers? Unit digit of only numbers. We don't have to. So just have a look. Very first, we are having 81. So the unit digit of square number having digit 1 as unit place. So unit place of square of a number 81 is equals to 1. Right? Then unit number or square of a number having digit 2 at the unit place is 4. So it means the unit digits of square of number 272 will be 4. In the same way, you are having 799. So the unit digit will be square of 1. Clear? So you just have to square the last digit of given number because you want to get the square of number. Next, very important part, an important type of question that comes to your mind. For each of the following number, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of a square of such obtain. So just have a look. As first part is given to us 252. Let's start prime factorization very first. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 6. 2 6 2 3. 7 9. So it will become 3 3 then 3 1, right? So it means 252 is equals to 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 3. As we have to make it perfect square, so I am including two things. Firstly, number which can be multiplied. Any number which can be multiplied. So what we can do, we will see which number should it multiply to make it perfect square. It means it should be multiplied by 7. So the number by which it can be divided. So whichever the single factor is there, that is the factor to be divided. So it means when you want to get it perfect square by dividing a number, again you will get the same part, 7. So as per the question, as question told you, so you will do 252 into 7 is equals to 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 3 into 3. So it means square root of this number become 2 into 7 into 3. So it means 42 will be the answer to this question. In the same way, second part, you are having 180. So 180 prime factorization, we can rewrite it to 90, 2, 45, 3, 15, 3, 5. It means 180 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into nothing. Right? So why what number? Let me know from you guys. Why what number? It should be multiplied. Think about it. This exists in pair, this exists in pair. It means which is not in pair? 5. So we should multiply it by 5. So the answer it will be 180 into 5. Square root will become 2 into 3 into 5. It means 30 will be the answer to this question. I think everything is clear till there. Any doubt, any confusion till there? No. Great. Next, one more. As these are the simple parts in which you can do factorization. But when a very big number exists, then what we will do? So there is another method that is called a division method in your NCERT. So let's get started about these things. So my dear friends, so steps are written for your convenience. Mark of the digit in pairs starting with the unit digit. Each pair and remaining one digit is called a period. Think of the largest number whose square is equals to just less than the first period. Take this number as a divisor as well as quotient. Subtract the product of divisor and quotient from the first period and bring down to the next period right of the remainder. This becomes a new dividend. Now, new divisor is obtained by taking twice the quotient and annexing with the suitable digit, which is also taken as next digit to the quotient, right? So just have a look. Only then we have example. So it's very difficult for this part to make prime factorization, right? So what we'll do, you will just start from the back end and make it pair. These are called periods, right? So 46, we have to think about a number, square of a number whose square is less than or just equal to this 46. So 46 and square which is less than 46 is just 6 is 36 and 7 is 49. So 49 is greater than the 46. It means we have to think about the 36. So 6 the 36, right? So 10 is the remainder. Great. So when 10 is the great remainder, so what we will do? You will just make double of this number. 6 to the 12. And then what you can think about? You have to thought of a number. Now just take this period again to the downside and 1078. We have to think about a number whose, as you have just taken 12. So at what number it will go? It means 128 into 8. So you will get 8 8 the 64, 6 8 to the 16, 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6, 22, 2, 8, 1, so 1024. So 1024 has would come. So we will get is 54 as remainder. Then again next period will come down 56. As what we will do? Just let me know. Hurry up, just let me know what you will do. How to make it another one? Yes, hurry up. Just think of a number. So just see, when 6 double will come to this part, right? Then 68 double, 68 into 2 will become 136. So 136 is here, 68 double. So 168 into 4, it means 16364 into 4. You will get 4556, right? So in this way, we can go ahead and get the answer. Any doubt? Any confusion? Any query? Okay. So just have a look. It was just example. Let's start solving. As you have to work upon 2304, right? So you will make it pairs and we will start dividing. Agree? In this way? See? So what we will do? Firstly, 4 4s are 16. 4 for the 16. So remainder is 7, 0, 4. And 4th double is 8. Now we have to think of a number which can go ahead. It means let's start thinking about a number. Let's take 8, 85 into 5. 5 5 the 25, 2, 5 at the 40 to 40, 25, not. Then 8, 7 into 7. 7 7 the 49, 4. 8 7 the 56 plus 4, 609, not at all. 8 9 into 9. 8 8 into 8, 8. 8 8 the 64, 4, 6. 8 8 the 64 plus 6, 70. And just think how I directly thought of a number. I just thought of a number, my dear students, simple way. Because 8 and a number which is adjacent to 8 and multiplied by 8, whose last digit is 4. So just think when we will get a 4. 8 8 the 64 or 2 to the 4. So 82 into 2 will give a very smaller number. It means we can think of only 82 and 88. So let's try only these two numbers. You will get the answer. That is, answer is 48. In the same way, you will have another number. Just thought of that. 4, 4, 8, 9. Let's make them pairs. So 44. So only 6. 6, 6, the 36 is the option. So 8 is remainder. 8, 8, 9. So 6 into 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So let's think of a number which will give me. See, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 7. Only these two numbers when multiplied by their unit place give us 9. So it means 3 3 the 9, 3 2 the 6, 3. It's not possible. Let's start with this. 7 7 the 49, 4 7 to the 14 plus 4, 18, 1 7 7 plus 8. So it means 1 2 7 into 7. It will give us 8 8 9. So the answer to this question is 67 and answer to the last one is 48. Any doubt, any query? I think this division method is clear. So this is a perfect way. Suppose you want to calculate as number, suppose 625. Let's start here. So 2 to the 4. 2 is remainder, then 4. 2, 5. So what you can think? 5 is get by only when 45 into 5. So 5 5 the 25 and 20. So 45 into 45, you will get 2 to 5. So the answer is 25. Clear? Any doubt? Great. So next thing is when square root of a fraction is come. So it means when root A into B. It means root A into root B. So square root of a number, root 441 upon 1849. So dear students, let's suppose you don't know the number 441. So you can be quick and start doing this. 2 to the 4, 2 remain the 41 for A. Just think of a number, only 2 to the 4. So here is 4. So 41 into 41 give you the answer. Again, 1849, you require 2 pairs. So you can think 4 for the 16, then 2, 4, 9, 8. Just think of a number, 8, 3 into 3. 3, 3 the 9, 24. Perfect. 83 into 3 will give us 249. So the answer is 21 upon 43. Great. In the same way, root under root A upon B is root A upon root B. So root 9 upon 16 is root 9 upon root 16. That is 3 upon 4. So our answer is 3 upon 4. Any doubt, any confusion, any query till there? I think everything is clear till there. No confusion is there. Just perfect. Let's get start with the next topic, that is cube and cube roots. Just we have done the square of a number. In the same, when we are talking about square of a number, that means you multiply number 2 times the power raised to 2. When cube of a number arises, so it means your power raised to 3. It means cube of 2 means 2 raised to power 3. 2 into 2 into 2, that will give you 8. In the same way, if I ask you 3 raised to power 3, So it means 3 into 3 into 3. It means 27. Correct. So perfect cube. It means a natural number is said to be perfect cube if it's cube of some natural number. So when a perfect number is called a perfect cube when its cube is when it is a cube. Like you was thought of a number 8. So 8 is a perfect cube because it is a cube of a number 2. Very perfect, wonderful. Any doubt, any query till there? Because we are moving ahead to the chapter number 7, that is cube and cube roots. Any confusion, any doubt? You can take your time and think about the things. If we are facing any difficulty, any doubt, you can let me know. Okay, great. So let's get started with the first. So very first method of finding the cube roots of number. So just thought of a number. When you're talking about square root of a number, it means you are taking the pairs from the common ones, right? So when you are talking about cube root of a number, it means you will make triplet of same number. So as for example, it is given to you, you have to calculate the 17576. So just factorize this, we will get it as 2 into 2 into 2, 13 into 13 into 13. So you will start making triplet instead of pair. 2 into 13. So the answer is 26. Right? So when you call test of a number to a perfect cube, a given natural number is a perfect cube when it is expressed as a product of triplet. As I told you, a natural number is a perfect cube when it is expressed as a product of triplets. Right? Any doubt? So very first thing, question is given to us 2197343. We have to take the cube roots. So already talking about the fractions of a roots. So we'll get is cube root of 2197, cube root of 31343. So for 2197, we will start solving. So let's start from 13 only. 13 ones are 13, then 8. So we can thought of 13 sixth, then 13 ninth. Again, we will get 13 into 13. It means here it's a triplet 13 into 13. In the same way, 3, 4, 3. 7 for the 28, 7, 9 the 43, 7 into 7. So here it's the answer 7. So answer is 13 upon 7. Again, when you're talking about decimals, so just see, we will take the decimal at the denominator. It means 19686 upon 10,000. So 1000 can be directly written as 10. But 19686, you have to thought of a name number. Let's get start with 3. 3 3 is the 3 6 the 18, 3 5 the 15, 3 6 the 18, 3 2 the 6. Then again 3 2 the 6, 3 1 the 3, 3 9 the 27, 3 4 the 12. Again 3 7 the 21, 3 2 the 6, 3 1 the 3, 3 7 the 20, 3 9 the 27, 1 3 4 the 12. Then 3 7, it will goes on 2. Let's take another one chance once more. 3 6 the 18, then 1 3 5 the 15. Yes. So then 2 1 the 2, 0, 2 9 the 18, 2 2 the 4. 2 5 the 10, 2 4 the 8, 2 6 the 12. 2 2 the 4, 2 2 the 4, 2 7 the 14, 2 3 the 6. And in same way, we will go on, we will get the number as 27 upon 10. Correct. So, the question here is, as you have to calculate the cube root of each of the number by prime factorization. So 64 is there. So let's get started with prime fact. 2, 2, 3 is 6, 2, 2 is 4, 2, 1, 6, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. It means 64 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So we can start making triplets. It's a one triplet, it's a second triplet. So triplets are complete. So cube root of 64 can be 2 into 2. It means 4. So the answer to this question is 4. So the answer for you, very next question from my side to you is calculate the cube root of 125. Hurry up, be quick, take your time. Yes, done. Great. So just have a look what you can do. 125. Let's start with 5. 5 to the 10, 5 5 the 25, 5 5 the 25. So 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. So the triplet is there. So you will get cube root of 125 is 5. So as one more method is there, suppose you have to calculate the 35 square. So what we will do, we will rewrite it as 30 plus 5 whole square. That means 30 square plus, because a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So 30 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 30 into 5. So it means 900 plus 25 plus 300. So the answer is 1225. So the answer to this question is 1225. In the same way, you will have to calculate 86 square. So it's your wish. You want to do 80 plus 6 whole square, or you want to 90 minus 4 whole square. Both are same, right? Let's say, for example, you're having the question, we have to calculate 71 square. So what you will do? We can rewrite it as 70 plus 1 whole square, right? And one more thing I want to teach you, that how to take Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triplet. So just have a look when you have to take Pythagoras triplet. So for any m belongs to any natural number, so it means 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. It is a Pythagoras triplet. For example, 6 is a number. So it means 2m is 6, m is 3, right? So when you're talking about m is 3, it means m square minus 1, 9 minus 1, 8, m square plus 1. It means 9 plus 1, 10. It means 3, 8, 10 is a Pythagoras triplet. Clear? Any doubt? So let's say you are having 2m is 14. So what you will do? You will write it as m is 7. So it means 49 minus 1, 48. 49 plus 1 is 50. So 57 and 48 is a Pythagoras triplet. Clear? How to take a Pythagoras triplet? Is this point is clear to you? Any doubt? And 2m, m square minus 1, m square 1 plus 1. Right? It means when you're having talking about the Pythagoras triplet, so the triplet is 6, 36, 6, 8 and 10. Here's the Pythagoras triplet is 14, 48 and 50. So you have to thought of a number, is it a Pythagoras triplet or not? You have to check for that, right? Another one. Let's say 2m is 16. So what you can do? M is 8. It means 64 plus 1, 65, minus 1, 64. So you will have a number 63. So 63, 65, and 16. Will it be a Pythagoras triplet? That you have to know. So everyone know what is Pythagoras theorem. That is hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. The largest side from the three numbers, is called a hypotenuse. Is it clear? Any doubt? Till there any confusion? Any query? Okay, let's perfect. So dear students, one more question is there. Let you are having 4096. Find its square root. Another question is you are having 5929. You have to calculate its square root. Be quick. Take your time because we have gone through the concepts of square and square root, per cube and cube roots. That's all about. Everything is based upon your practice. Yeah, definitely when it's just a practice session. So when we will do it in detail, we will go ahead with another methods also. So for example, 4096 you are having. So let's start prime factorization or division method. Let's say division method. That's also perfect for you. 6 6 are 36, right? 4 9 6. Here it's 12. Just think of a number. I just told you one thing. Either when 1 to 4 into 4 you will do, or 1 to 6 into 6 you will do. So let's say 1 to 4 into 4. 4 for the 16, 1, 8, 9, 4. It means 1 to 4 into 4. 496. It means its answer is 64. Right. Another method is, this is a one method. Second method is start factorization. 4096, 2 to the 4, 2 for the 8, 2 at the 16. 2, 1, 0, 2, 4. Right. 2 5s are 10, 2, 1, 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4, 2 5s are 10, 2, 1, 2 6 are 12. Then again 2, 1, 2, 8, and so on. You will get the 64. Right? You will get it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 you will get as 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 into 1, 32. So this will be the prime factorization of the given number. Right, my dear students, when 5929. So just think about a number 5929. Let's start long division. Pairing is there. Think of a number. 59 is there. Either 8, either 7. So 7, 7, the 49. 10. 29 is there. So 7, 7, 14, 14. So let's think of a number. Either 143 or either 147. So let's say 147 into 7. 7, 7, the 49. 4. 7 for the 11. 11. 7 for the 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 1029. Right? So 177 into 7. 1029. It's a direct way. Your answer over there is 77. So the answer to this question is 77. Any confusion, any doubt? How to find the square root of a number? How to find a cube root of? So just think of a number. Let's do one more question, my dear students. Here's a number 10648. So just thought of a number 10648. 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6. 2 to the 4. 2 4 the 8. 2 to the 4. 2 6 the 12. 2 6 the 12. 2 to the 4. 2 1 3 3 1. Here it's a 11. 1 2 1. It's a 11 into 11. It means 10648 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. So let's make a triplet because we have to find its cube root, right? So it will become 2 into 11. It means 22. Answer to this question is 22. So let's summarize both the chapter. We have today go through the roots part, right? Firstly, we have gone through square and square roots. So it's a summarization of both the chapters. Summary. Right, my dear students. So square and square root part, what we have covered, we have gone through definitions. Second thing, what is square root? Then Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triplet we have talked about. That is 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Fourth thing, square root by factorization. Next, square root by division. So these were the things that we have covered in square root, and in square root we also see what should be multiplied or divide to make a number square, proper square, right? So then second chapter that we have talked about, my dear student, that is cube and cube roots, right? Cube and cube roots. So what is that chapter? Just think of it this. So in cube and cube roots, we have gone through what is definition, what is cube and cube root. Second, how to calculate cube root. How to calculate cube root. So for that we have only one method, that is factorization till there. बाद में after that we will get another methods, but still in class the 8th syllabus we have cube root factorization only is by using one more thing I want to let you know. When we want to estimate a square of a number, let me tell you, suppose you have 4096. I want to think of a number. So just see whole number square, 60 square. And here it's a 70 square, right? So it means it's a number between 60 and 70 because 60 square is 3600 and 70 square is 4900. And just think, thought 4096 is near to which? It is near to this one. So see, 6 at the last will come only when the at the last you will have 4 or 6. So when 4, it means it's towards 60. So the answer is 64. Clear? In the same way, when 5929 is there, just think of a number. It's a 4900, 7 the, or then 8 the 6400. Right? Great. So it means 9 will come only at 3 or 7. So 3, it's near to which number? It's near to 6400, right? So when it's near to 64, it means clearly we can say it's an answer to 77. It is a shortcut way how you can see. Now thought in the same way you can think of a cube root. For the cube root, you again have a mind that whatever unit place should be there, how to include, how to exclude the things. But in the same way, you can think of a cube root. Let me show you in case of cube root also. So you have to find the cube root of 64. 64, you have to check it's a cube root of which number. So you just think of a number whose cube root known to you. But it's quite quite little cumbersome for you to think of a cube root. But if you can do, you can thought of that number. Think of a number for finding the cube root in a shortcut way. So, my dear friend, just have a look. This is a way how we are studying, how we are following the pattern. So today, just go through all the slides once again, like square and square root. What is a square number? What is perfect number? Some properties are there. Then how to find a perfect square by using square root of a number by using prime factorization. How to test it, how to check the unit place digits, how to check what should be multiplied or divided to get the fixed number. And next, my dear friends, you are having division method, right? Then after this division method, we will have a square roots of a fraction. Then we go through the chapter cube and cube roots. What is a cube of a number? What is perfect cube, right? Then method of finding a cube root of a number. Then test of a number to be a perfect cube. Then how to find a perfect cube. These were all the things regarding your both the chapters, that square and square root, and cube roots. If you are facing any difficulty, any doubt, you can let me know. Any doubt?